Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance step by step. So first of all you have to do is open your Payoneer app on your phone. Once the app is open, you will see cards section on the bottom right corner. You have to click on cards. From here you will see all of your Payoneer cards that you own. For example, I have a virtual card, I have a physical card. So you have to click any of the card that you are using actively and you have to copy your card's number and CVC number and the expiration date, all the details of your card from Payoneer. Once you've copied all of the information, then what you have to do is open the Binance app on your phone, and then you have to click on the Binance icon on the top left corner. From here you have to click on deposit. From here you can deposit any of the currency. For example, if you want to buy the USD, you can click on USD. So what you have to do is give the information of the card of Payoneer. So once the Binance deduct your money or the currency, it will be deducted from your Payoneer. Hence, you will be transferring money from your Payoneer account to your Binance account. And that's the best way to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.